fast because of the gusty winds.
737, turn left heading 320.
Left turn 320, Jet 737.
Carriage is down a lot, 28 clear to land.
Jet 737, traffic 4 miles northwest of the sun. Traffic no factor, contact number departure.
Clear departure, Jet 737, good day. Tower 225 is going to be a full stop.
Say again?
225 is going to be a full stop, that was too rough on final.
Cessna 225, roger. Hold short, runway 35 right at Bravo 8.
Okay, Bravo 8, and we'll hold short of 35 right, 225.
237. Without delay, turn right at Charlie 3 into the ramp with me. Aircraft short final 28.
Right on Alpha 3, no delay with you, 37 Papa.